Osmo action versus GoPro. There you go. There you go, my dear friend. There you go. Now, let me walk around a little bit. This is 5K 60 frames per second. The widest view I can get in any of those cameras. In both of them, I mean, in both of them. Oh, Osmo is wider, way wider. Wait a minute, can I get a wider view in GoPro? This is kind of embarrassing. Alright, we changed it in the GoPro and you changed it on the Osmo to 30 frames per second. You cannot go that wide in 60 in the GoPro. That is the difference. You can with Osmo, but you cannot in GoPro. Okay. GoPro has other advantages, especially with the level horizon 360 in 4K 60 frames per second, which is not available in Osmo, only in 2K. It is available, but only on 2.7K. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm also getting confused, but that's what it is. Okay, so this is the widest view you can get in any of those cameras. Let me spin them. Ooh, have a big chin. Anyway, full length of my arms. Okay, I don't want to cover the lens. Full length. Both screens looks really bright. Osmo looks brighter. Maybe I didn't put the maximum brightness on the GoPro. It's a brand new camera, just out of the box. Maybe, I don't know. There you go. There you go. It feels smaller. This is in a cage and this is just without anything. Feels a bit smaller. Yeah. Nice. Is it heavier? No, same way. Alright, let's continue. What about video stabilization? In both, really good. You'll have to use a bicycle or something to test that video stabilization on the hard surface. So, this is how it looks like. This is how it feels like. And this is how it sounds like. It's very gloomy rubber. It's cool. That's what it is. In both cameras, those signs are bent. Yeah, are they? Yeah, a little bit. All right. Okay, there's the police station. I'm not going to film there. I don't want any trouble explaining myself why and what for and whatever. No one cares, and probably no one will watch this video either, because my views are declining exponentially. Well, not exponentially, other way around. My English still not that great. I'll probably get a shadow ban for crypto or something, because my views are getting low and lower and lower. Definitely shadow ban. It is what it is. Alrighty then. So, which screen looks better? They're both fantastic. Hard to say. Really hard to say. The GoPro looks brighter. This is live comment, not in post production, so I'm commenting what I see on the it's not a smartphone, on the camera. Alright, we have 28% on the camera, and I need to make another video in different language, so that'll be it. That will be it. And both microphones are set to maximum volume. Max. It looks way brighter on the GoPro, but in post-production could be other way around. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.